Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glass stain paint is probably one of the most transformative mediums for adding color and decorative effects to glass surfaces, allowing you to unleash your creativity and personalize everything from simple jars to intricate stained glass windows. In this video, we will explore the versatility of glass stain paint, covering its various applications, techniques, and the key factors to consider when choosing the right product for your project, so you can achieve professional looking results with ease. Number 5. Magicdo Glass Paint Set. It's a 12-color set, perfect for glass painting and more. Each vibrant color is clear, bright, and ready to transform your creations. With shades ranging from deep blues to bright yellows, you'll find the perfect hue for any project. The included palette makes mixing and blending a breeze. It's solvent-free, odorless, and non-toxic, making it safe for artists of all ages. It's also UV-proof and heat-insulating. Use it on glass windows, cups, ceramics, and more. Your imagination is the only limit. Simply clean your surface, apply the paint, and let it dry. For even more vibrant colors, add extra coats. Baking it will make the colors last even longer. This complete kit has everything you need to start creating beautiful, unique artwork. Get yours today and discover your artistic potential. What we like. It boasts a wide array of colors and is completely safe for use by children and adults alike. Its versatility allows for creativity on various surfaces. If you need a large selection of colors and prioritize safety, this is the kit for you. What people say. Beautiful, bright colors, easy to mix and make the color you want, and very easy to use. The sun shines through so nicely and the colors are just beautiful. The paint was easy to work with since mess-ups can easily be wiped clean with a damp paper towel. Paintbrushes are easily cleaned with water. No special paint-removing solvents are needed when working with this stuff. The colors are beautiful. You must be certain to clean the glass very well with alcohol before applying the paint. The first coat is light opaque. Wait until it is completely dry before applying the next coat. Each subsequent coat makes the color a bit darker. You can obtain quite intense color with enough coats. Number 4. Colorful Stained Glass Paint Set. It can be used on many surfaces, such as glass, ceramics, and windows. Let your creativity shine on various transparent materials. This paint is waterproof and dries quickly without needing any heat. Enjoy vibrant colors that last. It's safe for kids and the environment. Create beautiful art with peace of mind. Simply clean the surface, apply the paint, and let it dry. Multiple coats may be needed for full coverage. It's a great gift for art lovers of all skill levels. Give the gift of creativity and watch beautiful art unfold. With 24 vibrant colors, 6 brushes, and a palette, it has everything you need to transform ordinary glass into extraordinary art. Start creating today. What we like. This kit stands out with its extensive color selection and waterproof formula. The no-heat drying process makes it incredibly convenient. If you value a wide range of colors and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The quality of paint is very good. I've had one of the paintings in direct sun for a month and there is no fading. It was fairly easy to apply, and learned that it was easier to add gradients by how many layers of the paint color that is applied. The paint's texture was thick and smooth. Even thick, it dried very fast, making me feel rushed to move it quickly and not leave any of the palette longer than about 5 minutes. A little went a long way. Number 3. Colorful Acrylic Glass Paint Set. It can be used on many surfaces, such as glass, porcelain, ceramics, and windows. Let your creativity flow and paint on almost anything transparent. It's waterproof when dry and needs no heating to cure. The paint glides on smoothly and dries quickly, keeping its vibrant colors. It's certified safe for kids and made with natural ingredients. Create beautiful art with peace of mind. Just clean the surface, apply the paint, and let it dry. Multiple coats may be needed for full coverage. It comes with 12 colors, 6 brushes, and a palette. It's a great gift for artists of all skill levels. What we like. It offers a vast array of colors and is waterproof, eliminating the need for any heating process. The convenience and vibrant colors make it ideal for various projects. If you want a large selection of colors and a hassle-free experience, this kit is for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant. Was surprised and happy that it dried quickly, so that I could continue to work on new parts of the pieces. It was fairly easy to apply, and learned that it was easier to add gradients by how many layers of the paint color that is applied. The quality of paint is very good. I've had one of the paintings in direct sun for a month and there is no fading. It's also easy to wash out of the brushes without those brushes getting stiff or being ruined. The paint's texture was thick and smooth. Even thick, it dried very fast, making me feel rushed to move it quickly and not leave any of the palette longer than about 5 minutes. A little went a long way. Number 2. Gallery Glass Liquid Leading. It comes in an 8-ounce bottle with an easy-to-use applicator tip. This makes creating clean, smooth lines a breeze for all your glass projects. Simply outline your design with it, then fill it in with stained glass paint. It's the perfect way to add flair to your glass projects. It's easy to apply, letting you create the look of authentic stained glass leading. Use it on various glass surfaces, from bottles to windows. For best results, clean your surface with alcohol or soap and water before you start. And remember to use it with Gallery Glass stained glass paint for vibrant results. It's made in the USA with pride. You can trust in its quality and support American craftsmanship. With its smooth application and stunning results, it's the perfect tool to bring your stained glass vision to life. Get yours today. What we like. This product is designed for clean, precise lines and is made in the USA. Its ease of use makes it perfect for creating professional-looking stained glass effects. If you are looking for smooth lines and high quality, this is the one for you. Number 1. Memory Stained Glass Paint Kit. This kit has everything you need to create beautiful stained glass effects. Let your creativity flow and transform ordinary glass into stunning works of art. It includes 12 vibrant colors, 3 nylon brushes, and a palette, all you need to get started. Everything is ready for you to start your art journey. These paints are specially formulated for adhesion and water resistance, ensuring your creations last. They're designed to produce durable, permanent artwork. Simply clean your glass surface, apply the paint, and let it dry. It's that easy. For more intense colors, add multiple coats. Use it on wine glasses, windows, bottles, almost any glass surface. Let it air dry or speed up the process in a low-temperature oven. Made with non-toxic, kid-safe materials, it's perfect for family fun. It meets all the safety standards for art supplies, so you can paint without worry. What we like. It provides a good selection of colors and creates permanent, durable artwork. The ease of use makes it accessible to all skill levels. If you value permanence and ease of application, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I ordered it before and I was very happy with the colors and the paint quality. My glass design was looking great and professional. This is a cute little set for small projects. The little color palette came in super handy for my craft projects. This is certainly something to add to your collection of useful art tools. High quality, easy to use. Very bright and easy to apply. I've tried other brands of glass paint, but this is my new favorite. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.